Just let me know.
Of course.
Okay, I can help you with that.
Hmm. I can show you the world, shining, shimmering, splendid. Tell me, princess, when did you last let your heart decide?
Maybe you don't need help from me. Oh, galing naman. Oh, he's on point, no? Nasa tono lahat ng mga kinanta niya. In fairness. Congrats,
Thank you.
Prissel, no?
Presley.
Presley. Lagi ako nagkakamali. Prissel, Presley. And Kuya Rowell. Kuya Rowell.
Ay, kinakabahan po kasi ako sa race stage.
Kinakabahan ka? Halika dito sa unahan. Para ma-overcome mo yung stage fright. Halika dito. Kantahan natin sila. Oh, what's your favorite song?
Your song, Pusong Ligaw.
Can you sing it to us?
Ikaw pa rin ang hanap ng pusong ligaw. Ikaw ang matutunguhan at pupuntahan. Pag-ibig mo ang hanap ng pusong ligaw. Mula noon, bukas at kailan. Thank you so much, Jack.
Thank you, Kuya Ed. Oh,
Agila.
Agila! Agila! Alright, so, guys, I hate to say this, pero syempre ayoko naman na sa akin manggaling yung judgment. So sila na lang yung bahala kung sino yung parang pinaka-favorite nila. Okay, so first we have Bryce! Yung mga kabarangay ni Bryce sa Mississauga! Come on, cheer for Bryce! Oh, may standing ovation ka pa!
Ryzen.
Horizon! Marami kang fans dito sa likod. Ayan. Okay, we have Presley! Oh, may standing ovation ka na naman, oh. Basta mga mother, tita, Lola! Oh, say hi to your Lola. And okay, to Kuya Rowell!
Thank you, guys.
Dami fans ah. How about Dami fans. Oh, mula likod hanggang harap ah. So, we know who's the real winner, no? Well, actually, they're all winners. Pero lahat sila makakatanggap ng gifts from TFC. Prepared ba kayo? Meron ba?
Yeah.
But ang pinaka-winner si Ed! Thank you, Ed, for your nice singing voice. I hope to sing with you in the future when you go back to the Philippines, ano? Okay, guys. Ano kayo, mag-picture tayo dito before you all go. Yes. Oh, ano yan? Huwag ka na mahiya. Sabihin mo na saan.
I would like to thank my IFCNA family!
Hi! IFC family, right? Okay, so guys, come on, let's have a groupie.
Yeah.
Wala man lang pa-music. Sana may pa-background music man lang, ano? Anyway, okay. One more. Thank you, guys! Palakpakan naman po natin sila. O, picture, halika.
Oh yeah, parang
Thank
last.
you! O, last lang. Thank you, Ryzen! Thank you! Alright! So, kanina nga po, di ba? Tinanong ko na kayo, are you ready to sing and dance this time? About young people, ready na po ba kayo sumaya? Okay, I'd like to call my friends here on stage, Cholo and Owen, to join me. Kayo po!